Okay, so the next exercise that we're going to run through is a calf shear. So we're going to find a halfway point between the knee and the ankle, and that's going to hit the Achilles tendon junction where the gastrocnemius and the soleus attach into. We'll start on Andre's right side. So he's going to cross his left leg over the ankle of the right, and the right foot is just going to remain nice and relaxed. So if we were to hold tension in the foot on the right side, we would be simply just massaging through the muscle and not hitting the fascia. So just notice that Andre's foot is nice and relaxed. The top is just resting, but both knees are extended. We're going to begin rolling from the hip, just back and forth on top of the roller. The roller doesn't actually move through space, it's you moving on top of it. And what we're doing here is we're identifying where the area of tension is that we most likely can't stretch out. So where do you feel tension? Can we just kind of go to a space? So we're gonna hit an area of tension. So Andre, pick an area, looks like that's the spot. And then you're gonna create a circular motion in space with the bottom ankle. So we're creating circumduction at the ankle joint, and then circle the other direction, which is going to help to lengthen the tissue. What we're doing here is we're compressing the tissue and then creating a lengthening. And then what we want to do is we want to dorsiflex and plantar flex at the ankle. So we're going to dorsiflex and then plantar flex. These are all great techniques just to release gastrocnemius tension. Anybody that has Achilles tendonitis, this is great for them. Good, and then Andre's just going to relax and then switch to the other side. Same thing, just remember you want your bottom foot to be nice and relaxed so that it's receiving that fascial treatment that it needs. And we're just rolling on top of the roller just to identify the structure that's tender. Is this tender on this side?
Yeah.
Okay, locate that tender spot and create a circular motion in space with the bottom ankle.
It's crazy, as soon as you relax the foot, the calf just relaxes and then you find that tender spot like instantaneously.
Exactly. Yep. And then circle the other direction. Make sure the movement is coming at your ankle joint and not from the toes. And then we're going to commit to dorsiflexing and plantar flexing. All very simple techniques that we can do on a daily basis. And let's just relax. And then again, just to safely dismount, he's going to just bend his feet and then